Meticulously cared for, 4-bedroom, 2-5 bath. Hardwood floors are shining, living flows to dining, wainscoting on the wall. Step into the kitchen, French doors open where the sunroom glows. Backyard calling where the seasons play, a perfect place to end your day. Gather by the fire, games or movies playing in the family rooms. Upstairs primary suite plus 3 more bedrooms. Dreams take flight, natural light, stunning sunsets and seasonal water views. This is more than a house, it's where life begins. Family and friends, where the stories